Did you know your fatigue, stress, or poor sleep may be caused by hidden health saboteurs most people overlook? In this video, I'll reveal 5 under-the-radar health saboteurs, plus practical remedies you can start today. These aren't the same tips you've heard 100 times, so stick around to discover what most people overlook. Cause number 1, gut and mood connection. Here's a twist. Most of your body's serotonin, the feel-good chemical that lifts your mood, is made in the gut, not the brain. When the gut is irritated or imbalanced, it can echo as low mood, brain fog, and afternoon energy crashes. Think of it as a two-way hotline. Your gut talks to your brain all day. Here's one practical step you can try. Add one gut-friendly habit per meal. Fermented food, yogurt, kefir, kimchi. Prebiotic fiber, like oats, beans, onions, and chew slowly. I've linked a transparent multi-strain probiotic I like in the description. Check labels and talk to your clinician if you're on meds. Cause number 2, sleep debt. Brain cleanup fails. Sleep isn't just rest, it's your brain's cleanup shift. During deep sleep, the glymphatic system, your brain's natural cleaning network, clears out waste and toxins that build up during the day. Skimping on sleep derails this process and has been linked with inflammation and heart risk. Here's one practical step you can try. Spend about 10 minutes in natural daylight soon after waking up. This helps reset your body clock, making it easier to fall asleep at night. Keep a consistent sleep schedule. Aim to go to bed and wake up around the same time every day, even on weekends. Or make your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet to help you stay asleep. In the description, I've linked natural sleep aids and blue light glasses that can make it easier to get deep, restorative sleep. Cause number 3, subtle magnesium shortfall. Magnesium is a mineral involved in over 300 body processes, from muscle relaxation to energy production. Yet many adults don't get enough. Low levels can show up as tense muscles, poor sleep, stress, or even low energy. Most people don't realize this simple mineral could be the missing link in their health. Here's one practical step you can try. Eat magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, almonds, and greens. If you use supplements, choose the right form. Magnesium glycinate for better sleep and calm, or citrate for easier digestion. When it comes to magnesium, here's the safe way to think about it. Do start with foods like pumpkin seeds, almonds, beans, and leafy greens. They're natural sources your body absorbs well. If you add a supplement, choose carefully. Magnesium glycinate is great for calm sleep, while citrate can gently support digestion. Don't rely only on supplements or take large doses without guidance. And always be cautious if you're on medications or have kidney issues, since magnesium can interact with certain treatments. I've included a link to a high-quality magnesium glycinate in the description if you'd like to try it. Cause number 4, posture and nasal breathing, oxygen and focus. Slumped sitting isn't just a back issue. It can actually reduce lung function, making it harder to get enough oxygen. Less oxygen means less energy and less focus. Here's one practical step you can try. Sit tall, stacking your ribs over your pelvis. Take 10 slow breaths through your nose. 4 seconds in, 6 seconds out. For a quick boost, try humming softly. It helps release nitric oxide, a natural gas your body makes that opens your airways and blood vessels. These small adjustments improve posture, breathing, and even mental clarity. Here's a quick posture and breathing habits. Do sit tall with your ribs over your pelvis. Breathe through your nose with a steady rhythm of 4 seconds in and 6 seconds out, and add a few gentle hums to open your airways. Don't slouch in your chair, mouth breathe, or hold your breath when you're under stress. These simple daily habits make a big difference in your energy, focus, and overall health. I've linked a simple lumbar roll and a discrete posture support in the description below. Cause number 5, chronic stress, structural brain changes. Long-term stress doesn't just feel uncomfortable, it raises cortisol, the stress hormone. And over time, it can shrink brain regions important for memory and mood, like the hippocampus. Protecting your brain from stress overload is essential for long-term health. Here's one practical step you can try. Use a physiological sigh. Take one deep inhale, a short top-up inhale, then a long, slow exhale. Repeat 5 to 8 times to calm your system. Or try 4 to 6 breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, then exhale for 6 seconds. The longer exhale tells your body to relax. When stress builds up, here's the difference between helping and harming your body. Do use calming breaths like the physiological sigh, or try 4 to 6 breathing. That's 4 seconds in, 6 seconds out. And pause for moments of prayer or reflection to reset your mind and heart. Don't let stress pile up without release. Depend only on caffeine or alcohol, or ignore the rest your body truly needs. Healthy ways of managing stress protect both your body and your peace of mind. I've linked a beginner-friendly Christian prayer and breathing app below for those who like some guidance. So there you have it, 5 hidden saboteurs that quietly affect our health. Gut-mood connection, sleep debt, magnesium shortfall, posture with nasal breathing, and chronic stress. The good news is that with small, intentional steps, nourishing foods, consistent sleep, upright posture, calm breathing, and especially moments of prayer, you can begin restoring balance and energy to your life. Remember, caring for your body is part of honoring the gift of life God has given us. Which one of these remedies will you try first? Share it in the comments below. And if you'd like to learn more surprising health facts, Subscribe to Did You Know Wellness, your way to excellent health, one discovery at a time. May God bless your health and your journey.